My cries is being heard. I just want justice for my baby. No mother in life should have to go through this, to feel this. You can't give me back what y'all taking from me. Y'all can't mend my broken heart. Y'all can't fix what y'all did to my son. Y'all keeping me from him. Can't see him, can't talk to him, nothing. I just want justice for my baby. They hear me, y'all. Somebody hear my cries. No mother in life should have to feel this. No mother in life should ever be kept from their child. People told my baby they didn't care, they couldn't breathe while his knee was in my son's neck. My baby screaming for help and nobody helped him. My son was handcuffed and y'all still proceeded to do my son wrong. Y'all made me leave the hospital. Y'all made my son have seizures. 20 minutes after he has a seizure, y'all tased my baby because y'all couldn't restrain him. He had butted somebody. That wasn't on purpose. It's not right. He's a baby. He's only 14. Y'all messed my son up. And I just want justice. Ain't nothing in this world gonna give back what y'all took from me and my child. Ain't nothing in this world gonna help or mend what y'all did to me and my child. But one thing's for sure, two things are certain. I'm gonna get what belongs to mine. He gonna get what he deserves. So many people been messaging and calling and Facebook and I ain't been answering. Y'all, I gotta deal with this. I appreciate all the love and the prayers and everybody worrying, but this is hard. It's hard. This ain't right. The Omaha Police Department ain't right. They don't want to help our kids. They ain't trying to help our kids. They hurting our babies. They hurting these young black men. They don't care about their lives. They don't care about the pain they put these mothers, these families through. Y'all don't care what we got to deal with. How stuff make us feel. Y'all abuse y'all power. Y'all abuse y'all authority. That's the problem. That's the problem. But what I'm not going to do, I'm not going to sit quiet. What I'm not going to do is hold this in. What I'm not going to do is let this go. I want y'all to hear me. Hear my cries. I want y'all to see it and know what y'all did to my child. Feel my pain. Can't let this go. Won't let it go. Can't eat. Can't sleep. Can't do nothing. But sit here and cry and break down. I can't see my baby. I can't talk to my baby. Y'all keeping him from me. It's illegal. It's against the law. What y'all are doing. It's illegal. It is against the law for y'all to do what y'all did to my child. Y'all gonna hear me and y'all gonna feel my pain. Y'all keeping me from my baby. My son's great. And I told y'all. He couldn't breathe. He screamed and told y'all he couldn't breathe. He was already handcuffed. I'm not understanding. My child was already handcuffed. I'm not understanding. Y'all Omaha Police Department, y'all been dealing with my baby 3 years. 3 years y'all been dealing with my son. 3 years. Y'all know my baby mentally unstable. Y'all know my baby got problems. Y'all know how to handle my child. Why? Why? I don't get it. I don't understand. There's no excuse for that. No explanation for that. Then y'all kicked me out the hospital. 7 o'clock in the morning, I wake up to my baby while I'm laying there in the hospital in ICU at Nebraska Medical Center, UNFC. Wake up to y'all on top of my baby trying to take him out the hospital. While he still got IVs in him. No, he still had IVs in him. Y'all say my baby had to get something. The floor, the wall. Why? My baby gonna have seizures. My baby's been having seizures since Monday, y'all. Since Monday, my baby been having seizures. Y'all didn't care. Y'all didn't care. The pain that I feel. The anger that I feel. What me and my son and my family got to go through. The hurt. The hurt that I feel. The fact that my child is begging and pleading and crying and begging y'all for me. Begging, pleading, crying. All he wants is me. All I want is my baby. I want my cries to be heard. Ain't nothing in this world that y'all can give me back. Ain't nothing in this world y'all can give my child back. That's gonna ever mend or help this. That's gonna fix this. That's gonna make it right. Ever. There's nothing in this world that's gonna take away what y'all did to my baby. Ever. I can't eat. Can't sleep. I can't breathe. Feel like I'm stuck underwater. Reaching for the top. I can see it. I can feel it. I just can't get to it. Slowly grasping for air. Sucking in water is what it feel like. Feel like somebody's laying on my chest, grabbing my heart and just not letting go. My heart, physically, mentally, my heart hurts. I can feel it. My heart. I blacked out last night, tore up my whole house because I'm upset, I'm hurt, I'm mad, I'm angry. Y'all won't let me see my baby. Y'all won't let me talk to my baby. Y'all keeping me from my child. And no mother should have to go through this. No mother should have to feel what I feel. My baby only 14. And the Omaha Police Department, after my child was already handcuffed, still continued to use excessive force. Still continue to put their knee in my baby neck while he screamed he can't breathe. What if that was your child? What if somebody did that to your child? What if this was you in my shoes? How would you feel? Your baby can't breathe. He's screaming for help. Nobody want to help him. Now having seizures. He been having seizures since Monday. They won't let me see my baby. They kicked me out the hospital. They won't let me talk to my baby. I done called out for everybody. Hear my cries. Keep y'all kids close. Don't let the state get a hold of your kids. I still got full custody of mine. Even though he in a group home, whatever the case may be, I got custody of mine. And I can't see my son. I can't talk to my son. I can't be there for my son. My son is having seizures. My son is healthy. He ain't never had health problems. Ever. And Omaha Police Department did that to my baby. They didn't care. They don't care how I feel. They don't care how my baby feel. None of that. But I'm going to get justice for mine. And I'm going to get justice for Jaden to the death of me. Y'all going to feel me. Y'all going to hear me. Y'all going to see my pain. Y'all gonna give my baby what he deserves. And that's justice. Ain't no amount of nothing in this world y'all can give me or tell me or try to make me feel what I feel, to take the pain away I feel right now. I can't be with my baby. It's making it worse. I'm putting this out there, y'all. This ain't right.